ambitiousness and causes of success. May you have the confidence to always do your best. May you take no effort in your being generous, sharing what you can, nothing more, nothing less. May you know the meaning of the word happiness. May you always lead from the beating in your chest. May you be treated like an esteemed guest. May you get to rest, may you catch your breath. Oh, may the best of your todays be the worst of your tomorrows. Whoa. Oh, may the road less paved be the road that you follow. Whoa. Well, here's to the hearts that you're gonna break. Here's to the lives that you're gonna change. Here's to the infinite possible ways to love. I want you to have it. Here's to the good times we're gonna have.
Tama-tama yung incorporation din ni sa nung ano pa yun, acting pa ako yun. Acting pa ako nung 2017.
Happy anniversary sa inyo dalawa. Mukhay naman po yun. Gusto ba asawa ko? Yan, si Arnold, wala si Marisa. Paalam ka na ba?
Pareho buha, ito sa diba din na kami arrival report.
Yun, wala yung
nakatalikod ka! Nakatalikod!
And causes of success. May you have the confidence to always do your best. May you generous, sharing what you can, nothing more, nothing less. May you happiness. May you always lead from the beating in your chest. May you be treated like an esteemed guest. May you be the worst of your tomorrows.
Hirap naman niya. Mano ang din pag-achieve.
Ilabas mo pa yung
If you're